Today, let's find the longest increasing subsequence using dynamic programming. We're given an array and we want the longest subsequence where numbers keep increasing. Remember, a subsequence means we can skip elements, but we must keep the original order. First, we create a DP array and set every value to 1. We also use 2 pointers, I and j. Now, here's the main idea. For each index I, we look at all elements before it using index j. Let's start. When I is at index 0, there is no element before it, so we move I to index 1 and place j at index 0. We compare elements at I and j in the nums array. If j is less than I, it means the sequence is increasing. In this case, we update the DP array using the formula, so the value becomes 2. The process is simple. Compare the values at I and j. If none of the values before I are smaller, then we cannot extend the subsequence. If some j is smaller than I, we extend the subsequence. Now move I to index 2 and start comparing again. None of the values before index 2 are smaller, so we cannot extend the subsequence. Increase I to index 3 and compare again, but none of the values smaller than current num's I value, so cannot extend. Now increase I to index 4 and start comparing. This time, some j values are smaller than num's I, which means we can extend the subsequence. We update the DP array using the formula. Then we move j forward, check again, and if num's j is smaller, we try to extend. If the DP value is already larger, no update is needed. We keep moving j until we finish. We repeat this process until the end of the array. At the end, the maximum value in the DP array represents the length of the longest increasing subsequence, which is 3 for this case. This method doesn't give us the actual subsequence, it only gives the length, but that's usually what we need in most problems. Once you understand how it works, the code is straightforward to implement. Here, we loop through each index I, and inside that, we check all j before I. If num's j is smaller, we extend the subsequence and update DPI. Finally, we return the maximum value in DP. And that's how we solve longest increasing subsequence using dynamic programming. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more algorithm explanations.